Please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video, I will show you one application by which you can find the number of words in the sentence. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So first of all, you need to open Play Store. In the Play Store, you need to search for one application named as Text Analyzer, as you can see here. So as I've already installed it, so I'm not going to install it. So you install it. So once you install it, click open. So on opening the application for the first time, you can see its user interface. So what you need to do, you can see here a camera icon and a file upload. So or you can import. So here I'm importing one picture, or you can use a doc or the Excel files to search for the number of words and characters. So I will be choosing a photo. So what you need to do next is scan. Wait for a few seconds until the processing gets complete. So it's completed now. As you can see above here, the characters is 71, words is 16, sentences are 9, and paragraphs is 0. So you can see the word here which have been extracted. So you can see here the words which have been extracted, and it's showing the almost accurate number of words, characters, sentences, and there was no paragraph, so it's showing a 0. So you can see here analysis, total character count, total white space count. So you can see here everything, and even you can see a longest word, longest sentence, and various details, which will be very useful for you if you wanna find the number of words, characters, and sentences in the particular sentence. So in my opinion, try this application and let me know if it's useful for you or not, and if you find any difficulty using these applications, leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you using these applications. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.